9 minus 7 equals 2. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present here. We do have a multiplication operator present in between, but more importantly we have parentheses present here, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. 9 minus 7, that gives us 2. Our expression becomes 9 minus 7 times 2. Now we have subtraction and multiplication operators present here. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction. So we need to solve this multiplication first. 7 times 2, that gives us 14. And finally 9 minus 14, that gives us negative 5, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.